Still staring at a blank page, trying to write your product descriptions? You're not alone. Whether you sell Notion templates, digital downloads on Etsy, or digital files on Shopify or Gumroad, writing product copy can be the most stressful part of the process. It takes time. It's easy to overthink, and even when you finally write something, it often doesn't convert the way you hoped. If you're a digital creator, especially one juggling product design, customer support, and marketing, writing sales-focused descriptions for every listing can feel impossible. That's where smart tools come in. Inside AI Creator Max, there's a tool called Product Descriptions that's built specifically to solve this problem for you. Instead of spending 30 minutes writing one description, you can generate a polished, professional product summary in less than 30 seconds. All you do is search for product descriptions inside AI Creator Max, fill out a few simple fields, and hit generate. Let me show you exactly how it works with a real example. Let's say you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. This product includes a client tracker, an invoice generator, and a clean project dashboard. It's fully customizable and beginner-friendly. The keywords you want to focus on are freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. For tone of voice, let's choose professional, and we'll keep the language in English. Once all of that is typed in, you simply click generate. In seconds, AI Creator Max gives you a clean, persuasive product description ready to copy, paste, or edit. No stress, no overthinking, no blank page. The description is designed to highlight key features, build trust with your audience, and drive more conversions. Whether you're listing on Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, or your personal site, it's optimized for digital buyers who scan quickly and need to know why your product is worth their time. And here's what makes it even better. After the AI generates your copy, you can instantly rate the result, save it to your email, copy the text to your clipboard, or even edit the response right inside the tool. If you want to revisit any previous outputs, just click the History tab in the sidebar, and all your past results are right there, saved and ready. This tool is designed to help digital product creators like you write faster and sell more, with less effort. Whether you're launching new listings or refreshing old ones, it turns a frustrating task into a 2-minute win. So if you're tired of guessing what to say, or wasting time writing copy that doesn't sell, try the Product Descriptions tool today. You can start free at aicreatormax.com. The link is in the description. And here's a bonus tip before we wrap up: if you sell digital products, this tool will save you hours each week, time you can put back into creating, marketing, or just taking a break. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.